Assalamu alaikum. Everyone. Welcome back to Najia Abro channel. I hope you are doing well with the help of Almighty. So today another vlog for you, and today is the cleaning of refrigerator. So I would like to add one thing why I am cleaning, because coming up festival is the Eid ul-Adha festival. So we know all we have two big festival in a year. So one is Eid ul-Fitr and another one is Eid ul-Adha. So Eid ul-Adha is totally the sacrifice, and you know all about the history. And Eid ul-Fitr is also the sacrifice. After holding a fast, we will get the happiness, and we will get the gift from Almighty. And this is also the sacrification of Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. So you know all, and we all know about it was happened. So I would like to add one thing more, and we will get to start our vlog with the cleaning of refrigerator. So please, we have to understand this is the Eid al-Adha, not a meat, not only for us, but it's all about the needy people. And we will take according what Sharia say, we will take our share, and rest of the share we will distribute the needy people. I hope you can understand. And so let's start. Okay, come with me. Now we are cleaning the outside of the refrigerator. While I'm telling you, it's a teamwork, but the thing is that if you have a skill to take a work from your helper, from your subordinate, from your fellows, if you don't have any skill, then it's wastage of teamwork, and wastage of the money, and wastage of the time. So I'm going to open. Da-da-da! It smells so pleasant, so refreshing, and I'm inside very happy. Now my whole refrigerator clean. So yeah, it's a time taking and work hard, but you have no, मेहनत में ही तो अजमत है. So this is what I hope you like my vlog, and I will show you when I place all my stuff at there exactly in the right place. See, we are going to clean our refrigerator because Eid festival is coming up and we have to clean it properly. So I took out the partition from top and this one, and this is a door. I'm just showing you. This is not clean, and after cleaning I will organize and I will show you. And this one is the upper part of the refrigerator. In ordinary language we used to call it, what we call it, freezer. So the door of the freezer. So let's start. I know it's a big task for me, but inshallah I will do with the help of Almighty. So I just a sponge. See, this is a sponge, and I applied, and now my helper is doing. So she's such a good helper, and she said, okay, give me a cloth of piece of cloth, give me piece of cloth, and I will clean the rest of the portion. So now time to clean up the door of fridge, the lower part of the refrigerator. So this is done. Alhamdulillah, while I'm cleaning refrigerator, see, all they are. Hello, hello. What do you want? You want lunch? Yes, taking time. Hello. Hello. Are you hungry? Are you? You want to? Food. Guys, finally added this one. And now it's still ice inside the freezer. So, do you know about one tip I know and my cute and lovely friends suggest me, and from that day I used to apply. So I'm going to share with my YouTube viewers, and it is not only for my viewer but all over the world. So you can sprinkle some amount of salt upon the ice and you will get it. So I pour, see the salt, small particles I throw upon the wall and upon the bottom, and I will show you. It will work. Trust me. See, Alhamdulillah, ice is melting after sprinkle salt. So this is the way, if you want to do, you can do. And this is a teamwork. Again, my helper is helping for cleaning my refrigerator. So our upcoming Eid festival, so without teamwork we can't do anything. So I am managing and organizing the door of my fridge. So this is the white polythene bag here I place here at the compartment of the eggs. So this is my tip. If you can, you can. If you don't want, it's up to you. And this one, I organize the jars, the bottle, the glass bottle, and it's still I have to organize. So this is scissor and cutting, and what else? I'm going to keep. I have the old one lying back, so I keep here and place it. And this is the Food Panda. So this is not a promotion of Food Panda, but I can place. Why I'm going to place, and I used to place because when next time I will clean, so the bottom of box only I will change this one, because this big cleaning is not possible every day or once a week or twice a week. So it's I used to do after 1.5 months. So this is for, and this clothes I will change after 1 week. This is the final look. I set. This is the upper part of refrigerator, and see this one. This is lower part of the refrigerator, and the door. Again I place and keep this one, the white bag, plastic bag. Dun dun dun. BP spacer. I know everyone love to eat BP spacer. The childhood memory. Dun dun. Dun dun dun. Alhamdulillah, it's all done. Now I am relaxed. And see, I got the more space after cleaning my freezer. So that's all for today vlog. I hope you like. Please do subscribe, share and do comment. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.